In this video, we're going to talk about graphing horizontal and vertical lines. So if you ever see an equation that just says y equals and then a number, like y equals 1, or y equals 4, or y equals 2.5, or y equals -8, you'll notice that all of these graphs make a horizontal line. So if you see an equation that just says y equals, then a constant, that will always make a horizontal line. And the reason for that is you're setting y to a specific value. So you're telling this line that it is not allowed to change its y. It has to stay the number that you said. And if you don't change a y value, then a graph is never allowed to go up or down. Its only choice is to go left or right. So by setting y to be a number, it doesn't go up and down. Another way to look at this is that when you say y equals 1, your line should hit the y-axis at 1, and this line should hit the y-axis at 4. So you can see that all these lines never hit the x-axis, and they only hit the y-axis at the number specified. Well, then you probably know what's next, and that's if I make an equation that says x equals a constant. Then you end up with a vertical line. And everything I just said that applies to the horizontal lines also applies to the vertical lines. Since you're setting x to be a number, then you're not allowed to change x, which means you're never allowed to go left or right. And all these lines hit the x-axis at the number specified. So to make a horizontal and vertical line, you only use one variable, x or y, and you set it to be the number that you want it to hit on that axis.